dander here. Just a wee dander about now. See what the crack is. Where you at, lad? Are you following me?
What?
Are you following me?
You wouldn't be following you.
How do?
Why would somebody be following you?
No, I'm asking you a question.
So why would you think somebody's following you?
But I walk from there to there and you're behind me.
Sure, look at the crowd, everybody's walking over the top of each other, you're not even aware of that?
Yeah,
You not notice that?
Yeah.
When you were filming everybody.
Well, here, is that alright? It's already secret. The camera's overt, mate, not covert. The camera's overt.
That is semi-covert.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about, lad. You don't know what you're talking about. No, you don't know what you're talking about, mate.
Don't be paranoid.
Mate, I've no interest, mate. I've no interest in what you... I've nothing in what you say, mate. No interest in what you have to say, lad. No interest.
There's no point in
just leave me alone, stop bothering me.
I'm not following you.
You stop bothering me.
I'm still in the same place as you. Look, here's the same
space. Look, I've no interest in what you have to say, lad.
But I didn't
I've no interest.
You asked me a question and I'm answering it. Why'd you ask me a question if you don't want the answer?
Because you were following me.
But why did you ask me a question if you don't want me to answer? But why did you ask a question if you don't want me to answer?
I just told you. I just told you to answer it 3 times.
So you don't want me to talk?
Do you want me to write it? Do you want me to write it down a piece of paper for you? Piece of paper and I'll write it down for you.
Piece of paper. You write it down. You must have a piece of paper with you. Or is it all high tech?
It's all high tech, mate. Probably a year league. Old-timer.
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 Slide on now, mate. Slide on. Stop bothering me. Stop harassing me now.
No need for any arguments, mate. Run around filming everything.
Yeah,
don't touch the camera. Don't touch the camera. Don't touch the camera now. Come on.
What side are you with, sir?
Come on, relax.
What side are you with?
I'm an independent journalist, mate.
Okay.
So I am.
These are following a press card there, do you?
No, I don't need it. I'm independent. They're following me about.
Right.
Now, that lady's just assaulted me by touching me there. And you've witnessed that.
If you'd like to come over here, stand over there, sir.
No, sir, I can walk around freely, so I can, mate. I can walk around freely. Are you recording me on your body worn, lad?
Yes.
Yes, could I ask you not to delete that? Said you witnessed that?
I didn't witness anything, sir. I spoke to you after something.
Pardon?
I seen you argue with somebody and then I spoke to you then.
No, I was telling him to leave me alone because he was harassing me. He was following me around. Alright? That wasn't an argument. Wasn't an argument.
Oh,
so anyway, 52512. What station are you from, lad, by the way? Just for my record.
All needs my number. Okay?
Yeah, no, I need your station just for record.
1 second there. 1 second, stay there for me.
No, I won't.
He's a citizen journalist.
Thank you. Being followed there in the crowd there, then well, one of the stewards here grabbed my camera.
No, but they can do that. If they don't want to be on camera, they can go.
No, they can't. They can't. You're in my space here.
Well,
but listen, but here's the thing, Sergeant, here's the thing, and here's what a lot of your officers don't know. Under the Criminal Law Act, Section 3, right, yes. I can defend myself and I can remove you from my space if I feel a threat, okay, Sergeant? So I could have removed her, but I didn't.
Inspector,
sorry, Inspector, sorry again. But yes, Inspector, but people don't know the law. This is the thing about it, mate. When they're coming to me...
about the public here, not police officers.
No, it was the steward that came. The steward came and grabbed my camera.
I will definitely be recording if that's what's going to happen here today, right? I'm not going to follow you. Yeah. I don't need you to go too close to people. I'm not. But it might lead to a breach of the peace. It might, because people get angry.
Here's the thing. Here's the famous word, might, but it isn't. Well, when they're coming to me again, Inspector, when they're coming to me again under criminal law, right. You know the crack, mate.
You're not going to fall out over it.
Yeah, I know that, mate. I'm putting the point across.
Yes, we just need to be careful.
The point is what I'm putting across is...
aggravated.
Right, yes, but the thing is, they followed me. I told your man to go out of my space, leave me alone. Then one of the stewards put her hand on my camera, so I moved it. Then one of your guys there with the glasses come over and grabs me. Come on, Inspector. I understand breach of peace. Me and you get on all right too.
All I'm saying is people get nervous when you're around them with their recording.
Everybody's got a camera.
I know that.
Yeah, why aren't you recording today?
That's my camera and that's my camera and those two are my cameras. Right, that's all I need.
No worries here. I'm not here to antagonise people, but when I turn up, Inspector, you've seen my videos. They get hands on. I've had my phone stole out of my hand from most of these supporters here, you know what I mean, man? I'm covering both sides. I've been in amongst there. I've been in amongst there and I've been there. The last thing I need is people following me and harassing me, you know what I mean, mate? Well, we'll leave it at that, Inspector.
I am watching things, okay?
Right, no worries, we'll leave it at that, mate. So, well, Here, can I ask you something as well? Could I ask your men to identify themselves, please, on request? They're not even telling me what stations they're from, ma'am.
That's the same over there.
You know?
That's the same over there.
And here's the thing as well, Sergeant, they're telling me that their number's on their shoulder. Now, I wear glasses, I'm partially sighted, right? So I can't read, so if they would verbally identify themselves, it would save an argument. You know what I mean? Thank you, Inspector. Have a good day, mate.
And we all have to stand up against it.
Yeah, folks,
Thank you very much, Belfast.
I made a bit across the roads all my life. I know how to do it, Inspector.
But it's some of the drivers,
Have I? So
I'm worried about the other people as well.
Oh, but here's the thing. These glasses were made for me to see.
Okay.
You know what I mean, mate? So.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I don't need any unlawful directives. All right, lad.
No. I'm just trying to make sure you're safe. All right.
Well, that's
sir.
okay, lad. I look after my own safety.
No, I'm here to make sure you're safe.
No, I'm all right, mate. I'm all right. Thank you, sir.
Would you stand on?
You have a good day, mate. You have a good day. But do you stand on the footpath?
Well, I'm just making sure that you're.
I'm okay. I'm 100%, lad.
I'm wearing high vis. Okay, thank you.
Oh, that's all right, mate. No worries. Nothing coming on my lights are red.
Thank you, sir.
The lights are red. No problem. You have a grand day.
You too.
So there we go, folks. As I say, man, I've been crossing the roads all my life, so you know, I want to get a picture of this wee sign. Hey, there, lad.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. That's what I'm
What are you doing, you smelly cunt? What are you doing, you smelly cunt? What are you doing, you smelly cunt?
Hang on, what are you doing? Keep your hands on me. What's he at? I'm only filming the sign. Get your hands off me, please.
Stand back, please.
I'm standing here on the other side of the fence. I'm not antagonising nobody. I'm only taking a picture of that.
Because you're going to prevent it.
Don't touch me again, please. What's your number?
Number's on my shoulder. Okay?
Oh, I can't read.
I'm stopping you preventing the breach of peace.
I can't read.
Okay?
He came to me.
Well, you've recorded it, okay? So there.
Right, what is it now?
What's on my shoulder?
Do you mind calling out for me, please?
No, I'm not calling
One
out.
simple question.
No, not at the minute. No, I'm not.
No, you're not going to.
It's clearly visible. Okay?
What station are you from then?
It's clearly visible, okay?
It doesn't say your station.
Musgrave Police Station,
Musgrave.
okay?
Musgrave. Don't put your hands on me.
Right, I'm
Don't
asking
touch
to
me.
stand back,
I'm not
okay?
breaching. He came to me.
Prevent a breach. You approach them first, okay?
No, I approached the sign.
Right, hand off.
I approached the sign.
You approached the barrier.
Approached the sign, yes, the
I'm here to
barrier.
prevent a breach of
I
the peace.
wanted to read a
You've been warned
sign.
and you've been told,
That's all.
okay?
Like, they showed me a sign. Like, could you mind a little bit to get a sign? Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Exactly. I'm covering that. About the Palestinian immigrant who raped the 15-year-old boy in Belfast. Yes.
Please cover.
Can I move? Thank you very much.
Look at
That's
this.
I only want the statistics.
Get the stats out there. Listen,
Final course.
AIDS has tripled in 5 years on Galway. Tripled in 5 years. Uyghurs getting raped every weekend.
Yes, I
the
know that,
hospitals are full on Monday morning. Muslims, foreigners, raping children up and down this country, stabbing children, cutting their own throats. And these people here are getting paid by the government to promote them.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, that's the thing. I'm here peaceful. I'm neutral. Officer, I'm here peaceful. I'm neutral. So I am. Well, I know what the breach of the peace is. I know it comes under common law, breach of the peace. I came here to film that. That man came at me, so he's breaching my peace. He's breaching my peace. So yes, next time identify yourself, please. All right, Inspector. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Did I declare that he was recording you?
Pardon?
Did I declare that he was recording you?
No, hold on a minute. How you doing, anyway? Were you recording me there, by the way, lad?
I've been recording the whole time.
No worries, no worries. Well, could I ask you to go back to the station, not to be deleting that, because I will be requesting a copy of that. So, well, under subject access request. Thank you.
Right, you're on the road with traffic. Can you move off the
See
road?
it, mate. I'm moving, like, I'm moving it. You were distracting me.
Well, we're both not distracting.
Yes, I'm off the road. There's no cars coming.
You're on the road.
There's no bother with him. He's on the road. He's on the road. Why are you picking on me? This is twice you picked on me.
I didn't.
This is twice you've picked on me now. So it is, mate. No, you're actually harassing me. You're making me feel alone, harassing the stress now. So you are. Look, I'm a big enough man. I know how to cross the road, man. So I do. I'm off the road. I'm off the road. And the traffic passed. It's because you distracted me.
Thank you for getting off the road.
You distracted me. Absolute clown, man. Absolute clown here today, man. Unbelievable. Twice he's been at me, man. Twice. Yeah, folks, I just poured that down there because I was going to have a break, but only him coming into my face and touching me again, unwanted contact again from the PSNI. Right, folks, we'll pick this back up again.